turns on Jedi mode sometimes, you know? It just gets all intense. Yeah. You're just like ready to rock. I like it. Yeah! Yeah.
Not because you're like in a fucking style. My little Rambo.
Should we be trying to catch a hitch, guys? Yeah. Well, that really worked out, didn't it? Getting a couple of hitches.
I don't know what it was, but it made me walk.
So I'm showering at the campground and RV park. Yay!
Shower.
Yeah.
I feel like everyone's all over the place.
Totally opposite directions.
Because you can't everyone do everything.
No, and like there's no service, so no one knows where anyone is. You're just like, all right, I guess I'll just wander. I just got a huckleberry milkshake from Trout Lake. Well, it's delicious, but it's super thick, so I can't actually drink it. So I just woke up in the backyard of the church in Trout Lake. Oh, we're gonna get a hitch back to the trail from Gary in a couple hours now, so I'm gonna get packed up and moving. And we're only 82 miles from Cascade Locks.
Yeah, Clinton actually a little tiny. Those guys.
Yeah, right?
They were having a hoot. Like, can I sit down and chat? Butterchuck.
Hey.
Yeah, I guess I have shifted a little bit of weight around.
Cool. So we decided to take the Sawtooth Ridge alternate. Which is gonna have some really cool views, like this one behind me. Whoa, where is it? Oh, there it is. There's also an extra like 800 feet of elevation or something. Ooh, and it is so humid. I'm melting into a puddle.
Hospitalizations are super low for fully vaccinated. Not yet. Not by conjunction. That actually looks pretty. That looks
Found one!
Yeah, we found one!
Yeah, exactly. You can't see this or this. Oh, you're red and green colorblind. That's really cool.
You did it! Oh no, oh god! It's really going for it.
It went. That's why
Oh
shit. Trail.
Oh no, oh no, it's still going!
No, I was wishing.
It's that pro light. That's how they're designed.
Come on, man.
Abby, you look cozy.
Now that you're backstop.
This is better than a lot of alpine ditties. I was thinking about it.
On that side.
Probably gonna do that. Yeah. Use mine too. Just the packet.
Wow, I can't see you. Well, that's not good. Looks pretty epic.
Ridge lines.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What the Boy Scout people are going to do with the Philmont if they dissolve the organization?
I've just been wandering through here, eating huckleberries. I've had lots of huckleberries today. It's great. They're really good.
Getting into town?
Thursday afternoon.
Okay.
Got the hour count done yet?
We just stepped straight into a rainforest. It's so pretty. Look at these trees. It's like an oven. There's a troll under the bridge. What up? It's so hot and humid. I'm the sweatiest human. We're maybe 1,000 feet into this 2,000-mile climb, which is one thing all on its own, but then it's also an 9-mile water carry, so that's super fun. I'm exhausted because we've already hiked 20 miles today, so it's a lot.
So we did 10 miles.
I know, you're like, how many miles left? I'm like, 10? You're like, what? It's 6 o'clock. Yeah, I know. We took a lot of like long breaks yesterday. I know. Put in my same clothes again after that sweaty of a hiking day is just the worst feeling.
I'm sorry?
Putting my clothes back on after that sweaty and humid of a hiking day is the worst feeling in the whole world.
Yeah,
It's awful.
I don't think I put on was the underwear. I haven't put on the pants or
Yeah,
the shirt yet.
like I can't. Oh, it's so hard to make myself do it. It's so gross.
That was the rifle shot.
Oregon? That's Oregon?
That's Oregon. Yeah, that's the river down there.
Yeah. Okay, cool.